Okay, we're gonna open again this unit. Let's see what's inside and what's going on. All right. Wala. Too much garbage. Too much. Too much. Please don't do this. It will damage your speaker. Don't use confetti. See? Some confetti has aluminum, you know? It can damage your speakers. That's it.